So in today's video I want to show you how to save yourself from the hackers. It means, for example, a hacker wants to attack on your WhatsApp account. How can you save or protect yourself from them? Let's start. And also today in this video I want to show you, this is a free tutorial that can help you to save yourself from the hackers. Okay, for this let's to open any WhatsApp. When you open the WhatsApp, after this you should go there and click on these three dots, and after this you go to the setting, and after the setting you should click on the account. And after the account, when you are here, you should be carefully, guys. Do you know, first you should click on a security. It means security notification, so this should be on one. The next here you should give a passkey. It means like passkey security is, it means like a number you wanna face lock or also finger, and also more other things that you wanna, for example a code. You should create a passkey here. So when you click on it, so here the passkey, it means you should continue to create a, but I don't want right now. So the next thing, which is very important, is called it's a mail address. You should change email address. You should click here, and also you should change the email address. This is also the better that you have to connect your email with WhatsApp, because when someone or a hacker wants to attack on a WhatsApp account in that so the system and the Gmail or maybe the verification of email, but the email will be with you. Therefore, so be carefully. It is also best that you have to connect the email with your WhatsApp. The next is, this is the most important tips. If you remember once, I think so 1 or 2 weeks ago I prepared one question and also one video about this one, how to set a second authentication, which is the most important thing that we can select for our WhatsApp account. So we should click on this one, and first you have to do step verification. This is the most or strong code, because nobody can enter to this one if you have this second authentication code on your like here. I want to show you this to simply add it. So you should click here on the turn on. When you turn on this one here, the system wants code, so I want to give a code here. So again the code wants from me. So when I have done, then I have to click on the save button. So when I save, look at that, I set, it means my code is over it. After this nobody knows that what is the code and what's the second authentication code. So I set everything here. So after this nobody, if a hacker try to hack my account or WhatsApp account or enter my WhatsApp account, but there the system will ask from that person, you should give me the second authentication code. So this is also the most important tips that you can active. And also if you want to change or many other things, inshallah next time we will talk about it. Just it was the tips that can help you to protect yourself from the hackers. It will be not somebody enter to your WhatsApp account. Thank you.